Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all had a good day. Okay, this is day 3 of growing a £300 account. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. The first pair that we're looking at is the EURUSD. So I can't see anything on the EURUSD at the moment. Like I explained, we have a bias to sell the market, but because it's a support zone, we are gonna actually wait and see how this plays out. So moving quickly on to the next one. Yesterday I got into a trade on the Euro USD. You'll be able to see this on yesterday's video, and I told you guys that there's a possibility that price might come back down here after getting back up to this point here and then triggering me into a sell. So today is the 26th of October 2021, and it's currently 36 minutes past 11 UK time, night time. So this candle closed, and unfortunately, because I was busy doing something else, I wasn't able to do the video exactly at 10 o'clock, exactly at candle close. So sometime yesterday or today, price came back, hit my limit sell order, and we are currently sitting at 28 pips in profit. If we take a quick look at the stop loss is at 48 pips. So what I will do is, when it does get to around about 48 pips or near enough to 40 pips, and I have enough room to actually move the stop loss down and to secure my current position, that's what I'm gonna do. So if price does come back, I decide to not go down and come back up again, then hopefully we won't lose anything. But that depends on how far the price moves down. So far it's looking good. We did have bearish movement during this candle, but obviously by the looks of it, it wasn't strong enough. So possibly tomorrow it's going to carry on going down. Hopefully, I'm hoping that it does carry on going down. Looking at the weekly, my weekly bias is to sell, and I'm looking for price to actually come down to this low here, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So currently sitting at 28 pips on this sell trade. Moving quickly on to the AUDCHF. So the AUDCHF, my bias was to buy if price actually broke this level. We would consider buying the market. So what do I see here? Yesterday's candle didn't quite close, and well, today the candle that closed at 10 o'clock did go above, did go below, but didn't close above. So this trade currently is not ready. It's not ready with strategy that I use. So I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow and see what the price action is for tomorrow. You have a area here, as you can see, and price has gone back up to this area here, so just have to wait and see what happens here. Maybe we'll get a trade, maybe we won't. Moving quickly on to AUDJPY. Our bias is to buy this pair. Like I explained yesterday, I was currently on a trade on this pair. I think it lasted from the 6th of October to the 22nd. I actually mentioned it on, I think, my first video or the second one. I actually got in here, and then I was stopped out in profit up here. So this was a pullback. I secured my trade after I saw this bearish candle, and now it's looking like it might break this high, possibly today or tomorrow. So we'll keep an eye on this one, and moving on to the next pair. Chef JPY, I can't see anything there. AUDCAD. Okay, so AUDCAD, like I said, for me taking this trade, I'm gonna have to wait for it to actually go up, then pull back, and hopefully break this high here, and then I would think about buying this market. Moving on to USDJPY, nothing on USDJPY at the moment. EURUJPY, I can't see anything on EURUJPY at the moment. I do see a low, a new low that has been made, so just right here on the daily. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Possibly we may get a short trade, a sell trade, just probably down to here before it starts moving back up. That is a possibility because of this low that's been created here. If we do get a strong break here, then price might go down for 3-4 days. Overall it is in a uptrend, so you should really be looking for only buy opportunities. So we'll wait and see how price action plays out. I'm just gonna mark this low as well, most recent low, just to see. Okay, EURUJPY, sorry, AUDUSD. Okay, nothing on AUDUSD at the moment. GBP USD, let's see what's going on. So like I said, I wasn't sure about this pair, and at the moment with the volatility that's happening and everything that's happening in the UK, I find trading this pair quite risky. If you look at today's candle, this one here, it sort of gave hope to a lot of people that price was going to carry on continuing up. Before the day ended today at 10 o'clock, look at this candle. Take a look at this candle. It came all the way back down and closed here, bearish candle. So possibility, what we might be seeing here is a possible sell signal occurring. Okay, so I've marked this point here. If price does break below, then I will be considering selling the market if the price action looks good here on the break. Moving quickly on to CAD JPY. Nothing on the CAD JPY at the moment. If it does decide to reverse, I'm just going to mark out this point here. Now overall on the weekly, it is in a nice uptrend. Okay, moving to the Euro AUD. So the Euro AUD, like I said, previous video, that I do not consider this to be a strong break, and this candle here actually opened here, so closed here, so I don't consider that as a break. So I will wait and see what price wants to do. Euro GBP, I'm not going to trade this pair. GBP JPY. So on the weekly, we do have a bullish bias, and on the daily, I'm hoping that this high is broken. So we still got quite a bit of time left for that to happen, a couple of days, but possibly it'll happen probably next week. Moving on to the next pair, USDCAD. So it looks like this support zone here, USDCAD is actually respecting it, but if you look at these bearish candles, they don't look strong. They don't look like strong, healthy, bullish. Sorry. If you take a look at the bullish candles here, they don't seem to be strong, healthy, bullish candles. So my guess is possibly this is just a pullback, and eventually it's just going to break below this low here and carry on going down until it gets here. So we are going to keep an eye on this pair in the coming days, weeks. And we can see that it has a bearish bias on the weekly. AUD and ZD. Weekly, we are in a down move. Okay, I'm gonna wait and see what happens on this pair. Nothing clear at the moment for me, so I'm gonna move on to the next pair, AUDJPY. I'm gonna end the video here, guys, and please join me on part 2 of this video, and I'll see you in a second.